Good morning guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A55 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select security and privacy. Mark device unlock and here select face and fingerprint unlock. Now provide your pattern if you have one. If you don't have one yet, you will have to create it. It will work as kind of backup to your fingerprint. Now choose fingerprint, tap on done, and mark register to add your fingerprint. As you can see, your fingerprint sensor is located on the power button, so just mark start and roll and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Mark OK then, and that's it. From now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.